Hello everyone, this is Miss Maria with the University of Nevada, Reno Extension. Today we will be making a lava lamp using simple ingredients. So of course, water, some cooking oil, olive oil, some type of oil that you have at home, food coloring, and a seltzer tablet, Alka-Seltzer, or any type of tablet that's good for tummy aches. We're going to set all this aside for a minute, and of course you'll need a glass container or something clear, and at the end I'll show you how to make it a little bit more magical. So make sure you have a clear glass container so you're able to see the effects. All right, one moment here while we get the activity started for you. All right, we're going to begin by adding our water, just a little tiny bit, about 25% of the way up. And we're going to take our oil, allowing the child to do the pouring, and we're going to fill it up most of the way up. Mineral oil would work better because it's clear, but we're going to use cooking oil. There you go. It's enough. We're going to allow it to sit for a minute, and we're going to take our food coloring and we're going to add a few drops. Maybe another thing like that. There you go. That should be okay. We're going to give it a minute or so that it'll settle at the bottom. All right, we're going to take half of a tablet of the Alka-Seltzer and we're going to drop it into our solution. As it begins to fizz, you will see the air bubbles forming. You take a phone, you can place it on top. And when enough bubbles pop, the water and the remaining gas become more dense than the oil, so the ball of water sinks down through the oil and joins the rest of the water. Changes in density as gas is added to or taken away from the water cause it to float up and sink down through the oil. Thus, the lava lamp is created. We're going to turn the light off. And we have just created a beautiful lava lamp. I hope you guys have enjoyed this activity. Stay safe and enjoy the rest of your summer.